We shoot it, edit, and loop it. Studios live at the podcast vibe. From weddings to worship, we keep dreams alive. Honesty Media, we bring it to life.
Well, welcome to Honesty Media. Now, if you look at the screen, you can see that I have this one here. This is OBS. This is vMix. Let's say this monitor is a PC. So this is a PC. So second PC, first PC. This is main production. I made a video on the church media setup, how to bring in OBS output to OBS output. Now I'm going to give out vMix output to OBS output on another screen, on another PC. Okay, it's very simple for you to do it, and this is having more advanced, even more than giving out only program out. Okay, you can also give out multi-view out, preview out to this one. It's very simple though. Let's say this PC is running OBS, this PC is running vMix. I'm giving out the output to the main production OBS. So what you need is to install NDI on the main production, or I mean on OBS. Okay, so in case you're using OBS here, vMix here, you need NDI for the OBS, but you don't need NDI for vMix. vMix is having already built in NDI. Okay, so you have to turn it on and it will show up here. This is very simple. Now let's dive in. Let me just close my feed here. Okay, I'm just closing the feed and to show you from scratch. So I've deleted it and I have this is my vMix scene. Okay, so I just created a scene. Just try to create a new scene or whatever you can name it. So this is my vMix scene. I'm going to bring it in from this side. Okay, so after bringing out the NDI output from this one, I have to go ahead and do a kind of settings on vMix before I come back here. Okay, so let's go to vMix. Now this is vMix on the screen. You can see there's the interface, worship, open prayer, testimonies, everything. So let's go to settings. Okay, so you go to settings. Okay, so after settings, it's very simple. Just go to the output NDI SRT. Okay, output or NDI SRT. Click on that and I have this NDI on here. If you don't have it on, click on it to turn it on. If you want to connect another PC to, you can also click on the second one to connect another PC. So I'm using only one PC here, so turn on only one. Okay, and the output, I want to decide if I want to send the preview side or the multi-view or any other input here to your main production. Is over to you. So I'm sending the output. Okay, so I will do example on the multi-view too for you to see. Okay, so I'm sending the output. So after this settings, just click on OK. We are good to go. We are done. We are not going to install any NDI here. Okay, so that's it. Let's go to OBS. Okay, because we've done the settings here. So let's go to OBS. Okay, so this is OBS. Create a scene and go to the sources and click on sources. Try to install NDI. Okay, so this is my NDI source. If you don't know how to install NDI, I have a video on that. Go ahead and watch it. So this is my vMix feed. Okay, so I can name it vMix feed. Okay, so click on OK. Good. So this is an NDI feed. Good. Click on the tiny arrow here. Okay, the source name. So click on that. Any other settings is not needed here. Click on the desktop PIDF. I mean, I'm using the same PC to do the kind of settings, but don't worry. If you have separate PC, you're going to see a different name. I don't know what's gonna happen, but you will see the live output of this one to this one. Okay, so just click on that. Boom, it's here. Okay, so this is Bible studies here, and click on OK. Good, it fit on your screen. Okay, so that's it. Now let's look at the camera and switch, and let's see what's gonna happen. So let me switch to the Bible. Cut. Okay, so let me cut. Let me wipe. Okay, it's wiping. Fade to black. Good. It's boom. Testimonies. You cut it. Good. It's here. It's very simple, like using OBS. This is vMix OBS. Okay, you need an NDI. That's all. Try to get both PC to the same internet. I'm using the same PC to do this kind of setting. That's why it's working. So get same internet on both PC. Okay, we are good to go. So I didn't mention that. I forgot to mention the NDI, or I mean the network. Okay, so connect network to both PC and we are good to go. It's very simple. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing.
Creativity is our
That's right.